Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top living room decorating ideas for 2025. Whether you're looking to refresh your space with a touch of modern style or completely transform your living room, we've gathered some of the latest trends and most inspiring design ideas to help you create a stylish and comfortable space. Let's get started. One, embrace earthy tones. This year, it's all about connecting with nature. Earthy tones like warm browns, muted greens, and rich terracottas are taking center stage in living rooms. These colors bring a sense of calm and grounding to your space, making it feel inviting and cozy. Try incorporating earthy shades through your walls, furniture, or even accent decor pieces like cushions and rugs. 2. Sustainable materials and eco-friendly decor. Sustainability is a huge theme for 2025. Natural materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, and organic fabrics are popular choices, not only because they look beautiful, but also because they're kinder to the planet. Look for sustainable furniture or decor pieces made from recycled materials, and choose items with a lower environmental impact. Small changes can make a big difference. Three, statement lighting. Lighting can completely change the atmosphere of a room, and statement lighting is a must-have trend in 2025. From large pendant lights to unique sculptural lamps, the goal is to make your lighting a focal point. Choose lighting fixtures that add a sense of drama and personality to your space, helping to create a beautiful ambience. 4. Curved and organic furniture shapes. Say goodbye to sharp edges and hello to soft curves. In 2025, we're seeing a rise in furniture with organic shapes, think rounded sofas, soft-edged coffee tables, and curved accent chairs. These pieces add a playful, yet sophisticated look and bring a soft, welcoming vibe to your living room. Five, layered textures for depth and warmth. Another key to achieving a stylish 2025 look is layering different textures. Combining materials like velvet, wool, leather, and wood creates a sense of depth and richness in your decor. Think of layering textures as a way to add both visual interest and warmth to your living room, making it feel luxurious and comfortable. 6. Large-scale art and bold wall decor. If you want to make a statement, go for large-scale art pieces or bold wall decor. Oversized paintings, gallery walls, or even sculptural wall hangings can act as the focal point of your living room. This year is about going bold and personal with your wall decor to make your space unique and eye-catching. 7. Multifunctional furniture. In 2025, functionality is as important as style. With more of us working from home, multifunctional furniture is becoming essential. Look for pieces like sofas with built-in storage, fold-out tables, or modular units that can be reconfigured as needed. This helps keep your living room versatile and clutter-free. 8. Biophilic design and indoor plants. Bringing nature indoors is a continuing trend, and 2025 is no different. Biophilic design focuses on creating a natural, refreshing feel with plenty of indoor plants, natural lighting, and greenery. Adding a variety of indoor plants or even a living wall not only improves air quality but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your living space. 9. High-tech comfort and smart home features. Technology is also shaping our living rooms. Smart home devices like automated blinds, voice-controlled lighting, and smart thermostats are making living spaces more comfortable and convenient. In 2025, integrating technology seamlessly into your decor is a great way to add modern sophistication to your living room. 10. Personalization and unique decor pieces. Finally, one of the biggest trends for 2025 is personalization. Choose decor pieces that reflect your personal taste and tell a story. Whether it's a vintage item, a piece of family art, or a handmade item, unique decor adds character and authenticity to your space. Outro. And there you have it, our top 10 living room decorating ideas for 2025. We hope you're inspired to try out some of these trends in your own space. Let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you next time.